UTM parameters is a small code you add to your URL to know where exactly your visitors came from. I'll explain this with an example. Let's say you publish one YouTube video a day talking something about your business and then leave a link in the comments to drive people to your website to book a demo with you. So you did like 4 videos till now, and in each video you left a link in the description to book a demo with you. So basically with every video you drive people to the website, and at one point you want to know which kind of content or which video performed the best to do more of that content. So let's assume this video 3 brought you a lead. So you know that basically the lead came from YouTube, but then you don't know which video exactly brought that lead, because Google Analytics only shows that people came from YouTube and then converted, but you don't know through which specific video they came from. I'm explaining this with a video example, but basically it applies to everything done outside your website. Like these YouTube videos can be LinkedIn posts, your cold emails, and so on. So how do you add these UTM parameters to your website? It's pretty simple. So you go to this website, you can just type UTM parameters in Google. I'll also place the link of this website in the description. This is a website from Google. It's free to use. So you basically place your website. So for this particular example, let's assume that I'm posting on LinkedIn about UTM parameters. So normally without UTM parameters, your whatever link you placed will look like this. So but with UTM parameters, it looks like this. So you go here, because it's a LinkedIn post, I typed LinkedIn here as campaign source, and campaign medium is social. So campaign name, you should understand what it is when you see that. So for in this example, I placed it as UTM parameters, and then I kept today's date. So this is one format I follow. And yeah, so if you're confused like what details should to use, for example the campaign source, social, etc., just explain ChatGPT what you're trying to do and it gives you all the names. So once you placed everything, so these are like the required details. I only placed that. So if you scroll down, the website automatically generates a link for you. So you can just copy this link and then paste it in YouTube video description, your LinkedIn post, so on. So now if you see the link, you'll understand that okay, UTM source is equal to LinkedIn, UTM medium is equal to social, UTM campaign is equal to etc. In this website you can also shorten the link. Like if you click on shorten the link, it creates that short link where you don't see all this stuff. LinkedIn by default, once you place these big links, it shortens, so you don't need it, and that's it. So now if I post it and when people click on it, I clearly understand that okay, they came from this particular campaign. So there are few rules, basic rules for these, like how to use these parameters. Firstly, it is case sensitive. That is why I kept everything in lowercase. And then you should not keep space, so I prefer using an underscore. So I kept underscore, and then we always keep a date, so it is easy for us to understand. So come up with a style for your team and then make sure everyone uses the same style. And you should only place the UTM parameters outside of your website. Like for example, as I suggested, YouTube videos, LinkedIn posts, everything you do outside your website and bring people to your website, you should only place UTM parameters at that time. You should not place UTM parameters inside your website. Like for example, from your product page or taking them to book demo page, you should not use UTM parameters on your website. And if you're doing email campaigns, whatever tool you're using, they already have inbuilt fields for campaign name, etc. So you need not come to this website and do this separately. And yeah, once people click on it, they tend to see that big URL. Like you would have already seen it, like once you click on an ad or something like this LinkedIn post, you see that big URL, right? So this time when you click on the links from a LinkedIn post or a email you received, just analyze the URL, so you understand how that company is using UTM parameters. So I hope it was clear enough. Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.